Okay, this is part two. For some reason my camera packed up after the last one, but this is the liquid, or the little pipe that a lot of people ask me about. And basically this one is literally full to the brim. And as I said, there's a little reservoir there. It comes from the top of the tappet casing, from the crank, so it's a breather, but it also connects by pipe, as you can see, if I can get that there, through there into this pipe. This tube connects to the carburetor. So if this is full up with fluid, just imagine that when you're accelerating, it's drawing air through here, through your filter. So if there's fluid in there, it's a possible chance that it can draw liquid through and then push it back into your carburetor, causing bogging down. Now, I've got a little clear bowl here. I've got to try and do this somehow, if I can. Oh, I can't believe that. Look at that, works a treat. That's my old soup bowl. So, and I've moved the clip. The clip's normally sort of down here. I've moved it up. I'm just going to undo it and just see. What's going on here? There's a milky. Ooh, disgusting.